find the average number of friends a user has from Google. The average number of friends this user has, right? So the user ID and the friend ID can be also interchanged, right? Yeah, so this is a trick. Yes. So the expect output should be a user ID can. Yeah. So with like on user, right? As yeah, so first of all, it's to union. So it's to union this one. So we need to swap between friend and user ID, right? Create friend ID, right? Union on. Now we need to swap friend ID and user ID, right? Add friend ID, right? Yes. Yep. So with that, we can just select from on user, right? So yeah, we want to touch every user ID, right? As user ID, right? We count the listing of the friend ID, right? By one. Yeah. So now we do the average of this count, right? Yeah. By user, as we select from by user and average a friend, right? We average the number of friends, right? Yeah. So the tricky part here is we need to swap the user ID so that like every user can be touched, because otherwise if we only use one user ID here, so we may forget this one, right? Yeah, so this row is already yeah. Like for instance, like the user ID 1 can be friend with the user ID 2, and the user ID 2 is friend with the user ID 3. So this means the user ID 2 should have 2, right? But if we only have one table, then we didn't take into account 2 by the directional.